Hey there, so it's Kaz here today, and we're ultimately going to look into another email marketing case study. So this was for an e-commerce outdoor brand based in the UK. Now, they had a really weak, shall we say, email strategy when we first started, because they ultimately just didn't get too involved in it. Purely again, the business owner was probably quite busy, and so that ultimately meant that they needed a specialist to kind of step in and help create some more revenue for them. In terms of what we were working with them on, well, one of the biggest things that they wanted to tackle is they never wanted to solely rely on ads. That was a very big thing for them. So they wanted to be as diverse as possible when it came to generating their revenue. Even though the store was relatively small, it was there because it was extremely profitable per sale for them. So in terms of kind of some of the raw numbers as well that we managed to achieve over the period that we worked with them on, they had a total revenue of 53, so £500,000 basically generated, with a total of 22% coming from email marketing. So that's about 120k pounds for that period. So around, let's say 180k bucks, $180,000 generated for them throughout that period. Now, their biggest focus is that they need something that would stay in contact with their current customer base as often as possible. Ultimately, it was a Shopify store and they didn't have any great ways of staying in touch. And that's where email kind of stepped in, not only sparking more recurring or repeat sales, but also allowing them to have a better relationship across the board. Now, that's kind of this important case study here. They were an outdoor and recreational brand. And of course, if you like to make this your store, just click on the book a call button and we'll take it from there. Cheers.